anybody in the DRZ world that might be interested in this. I know I did some looking before my trip and found a few videos helpful, so I thought I'd go through my toolkit for my DRZ400. Mine's the E model with the FCR carb, so my jets may be different than yours. Some of my tools may be different. This is the toolkit that comes with the Klim Nak Pak backpack. It's pretty nice toolkit. I mean, it didn't come with tools in it, of course, but it's a nice tool bag. Folds up like that. Put more on the outside. So in this pouch is just some odds and ends, sockets that I need, extra spark plug socket, a couple drivers that I need for my jets, extensions. Then I've got one Motion Pro spoon because my axle wrenches both have spoons on the ends. And then I've got 1/4 inch ratchet, an extension, air gauge, 3/8 stubby ratchet, a magnet for when I drop something when I'm working on the bike, I can dig it out of the engine, or between the transmission and engine. I've got a spoke wrench, 14 and a 17. Yeah, 14 and a 17. Some JB Weld steel stick, crescent wrench, I think an 8-inch, yeah, 8-inch crescent wrench, an air pump, just a cheap air pump with Gorilla Tape wrapped around it. That saved me on my last trip. When my shifter broke off, I taped the end back on and it got me 4,000 miles home. Not on the DRZ, but on the V-Strom. A bunch of Allen wrenches of different sizes, pretty much all the metric up to 8mm Allen wrenches, and a mirror that I found very helpful, changing my jets so I could see where everything was up in the carb without taking the carb out. So that's pretty much my toolkit. Oh, and a patch kit, tube patch kit. I do have a boost box / battery charger that I kept in my tank bag. That's pretty much it. Thanks.